Hello, friends. I got a package. Oh, it's big and it's heavy. Okay, it's a big one. And this is from Bourbon Bounty. I won the first prize for the quarterly drawing. And I'm going to open up and see what I got. Okay, I'm going to set this over here because it's so big. Well, yeah, that's better. Okay, hold on. Open this up. And I'm just going to pull out. Oh my. Oh my. I'm going to set everything right here because it'll just be a lot easier for me. Oh, and oh my goodness. Whoa. This is heavy. Whew. It's a box in a box. I'm so excited. Bourbon Bounty is awesome. Jody does a live every Thursday and talks about bourbon, tries bourbon, along with his sidekick, Mark. Anyway, so every quarter they do a drawing called Put Me In. And as you're watching, he'll put a word up that you have to hashtag and enter it. And then he spins and a name gets drawn and they get points toward the quarterly drawing. You can also do a Snapchat and donate, and you get points for however much you donate. Anyway, it's a great channel. They're great guys. Mondays, I think pretty much every Monday, Jody does a review on different bourbons. Sometimes he has guests up there. Sometimes he has guests on the Thursday live. Anyway, so I won. Okay, I need my cutter. I'll just open this box right here. First of all, he sent me a 6-ounce sample of Holland's Ghost, which I am so excited to try because he did a review on this and couldn't say enough great things about it. It's by Reservoir, and it's called Holland's Ghost. And let's see. I better put these glasses on. True single barrel bourbon whiskey finished in an ardent stout barrel. Yes, 101 proof. Ah! Okay, so I can't wait to try this. I'm so excited. It's like in a big cough medicine bottle. Okay, now what do we have in here? It's packed, so, oh yeah, I got a sticker, cool beans, a card, and some more stickers. They're so cute. Thank you, Jody. Okay, now, he's numbered these. I'm going to bring you down so you see them. Well, actually, I think I can do it this way. All right, come on. So they're all numbered. They're samples okay? And I'm going to be able to have a live, a tasting with him. And then it's a nosing kit. It's called a nosing kit. And he listed by number what the different ones are. Oh my gosh. I mean, there are, 24. We've got rose, pine, coffee, leather, black pepper, cherry, raisin, toasted oak, butterscotch, toffee, new oak, licorice, maple syrup, cinnamon, herbal tea, honey, apple, chocolate, clove, apricot, tobacco, vanilla, mint, and corn. Those are the flavors of the bourbon. Oh, this is exciting. Okay. Okay, so I'm real excited. These should be amazing. And I'll have little shot glasses to just sort of try it. Thanks so much, Jody. I really appreciate it. I love your channel. And I will see you Thursday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.